Morning, Stu- students. Once again, I welcome you all in our English class. Today, we are going to study grammar topic tenses. Before starting this, I hope you all understood what I taught you in your last lecture. We have studied about three forms of verb. In that, we have studied regular as well as irregular verbs. With that, we have studied that some verbs are there, they are not changing in their three forms, they are same in three forms. I hope, student, you have learned all the spelling of that verbs and you understood it very well, because today these three forms of verbs will be very important when we are going to change the tenses. Okay, so if you have learned it, very good. If you haven't learned, learn by heart. Write all the spellings properly, all the verbs properly. So let us begin with tenses today. We are going to see the definition, with that kinds and examples. Okay, now first of all, what is tenses? Tense is a form of verb that describes the relation between time and action. You all know that verb means an action word. Whatever work we are doing, that is, whatever action we are doing, that is verb. For example, sing, dance, read, write, play, cook, etc. These are verbs. Now, tense is a form of verb that describes the relation between time and action. Now, it describes the relation between time and action. Now, how time and action? Time is the duration of work and action is the work done. You all know it tells us about the time when you are doing the work, and how much time you needed for doing that work. That is the duration of work, time. Action is the work done. Whatever work you are doing, that is action. And how much time you need for that work, or at what time you are doing that work. That is tenses. So, tense gives the time when the action is done. Now, we come to know what is tense. Tense gives the time. It is giving us the time when the action is done, when the particular work is done. Okay. Now, types. There are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense. Past tense means then. Whatever thing is over, that is past tense. Present tense means now, right? We are doing at a particular time. This is now. Just now, whatever we are doing, that is present. Future tense, yet to come, is going to come. That is, in future it will happen. Okay. So, students, in Hindi we can say past tense means bhutkal, present tense is vartaman kal, and future tense means bhavishya kal. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat what is tense. Tense is a form of verb that describes the relation between time and action. Time is the duration of work and action is the work done. Tense gives the time when the action is done. Okay, tense gives the time when the action is done. There are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense means then, present tense is now, and future tense yet to come. Okay, now let us begin with tense. First of all, what is present tense, past tense, and future tense? Present tense expresses an action that is currently going on or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists. Now, present tense expresses an action that is currently going on. Right now, whatever we are doing, whatever is going on currently, that is present tense. Next thing is or habitually perform. We are habitual of doing some work that comes in the present tense. Okay, currently it is going on and habitually we are performing, that is present tense. Next is our past tense. Past tense expresses an action or a situation that was started and finished in past. The work you have done and that work is finished now was started and finished in past. In the past itself it was completed. So that is past tense. And third is your future tense. Now future tense express an action or a situation that will appear in the future. It is going to appear now. Okay, it is going to appear, that is yet to come. So these are three tenses: present, past and future. Present is now, currently, past was started and finished in the past, and future will appear in the future. Let's see the table of tense. This is a diagram, students. Present, past and future tense. These are the three types of tense. Now these three types of tenses are further divided into four kinds. That means present tense is divided into four kinds, past tense is also divided into four kinds, and future tense is also divided into four kinds. That is, total we are going to study 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 12. And single in present we have 4, past we have 4 and future we have 4. So what are the names? Let us see first. The names are same, student. Simple, indefinite. You are able to see in front of the three. First column is simple indefinite. Second column is continuous progressive. Third column is perfect and last one is perfect continuous. Now we have to add the first name, that is present, and it will become simple present tense, or say present indefinite tense. For past it is simple past tense or past indefinite. For future, simple future or future indefinite. Present continuous, also known as progressive tense. Past continuous or past progressive. Future continuous or future progressive. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. Okay. So we come to know that there are three types of tenses, and these three types of tenses are further divided into four kinds. Okay. Present, past and future. Simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous are the four kinds. So let us begin with our first, that is present tense. Okay. Present tense is a tense expressing an action or situation in the present time. Already we have seen that present tense expresses an action or situation that is going on currently in this situation, present time. Okay. It is divided into four kinds as follows. As I already told you, that this present tense is divided into four kinds, that is simple indefinite present tense, present continuous, or we can say progressive tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense.